Here's UK ETA app. So if you want to travel to UK, this is an app to download. It's an app to apply for electronic travel authorization to come to the UK. Find out if you need it on their website. So you just can use this app. For example, if you're traveling from US to UK, you just take a photo of your passport, send it, chip in your passport, scan your face, take a photo yourself, answer some questions about yourself, pay for application, and then it takes 10 minutes. You do not need to enter your travel details. And what you need iPhone 8 or newer with iOS 16 or later, the passport you will use to travel to UK, credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, access to emails, and that's basically the idea. So if your ETA is approved, we'll link this to the passport you applied with. You must use this passport to travel to the UK. So this is handy app, and that's basically how it works. And then you can just go and start basically like that. So quite a handy app.